motion on the University of Ottawa Heart Institute's 50th anniversary, and I wanted to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Robert Beanlands, the CEO of the Heart Institute, and Dr. Katie Rayner, Chief Scientific Officer, who are with us here this morning. Councillor Kitts.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mayor. I'll read the therefore be it resolves. Therefore be it resolved that Ottawa City Council congratulates the University of Ottawa Heart Institute on its 50th anniversary and recognizes its extraordinary contribution to the health and well-being of residents of Ottawa and communities across Eastern Ontario, and recognizes the Institute as Eastern Ontario's dedicated centre for specialized cardiac care and celebrates the Institute model that has enabled it to become a global leader in cardiac care, research, education, and innovation, and affirms its support for the Institute's unique, independent, and specialized mandate, recognizing that its independence has been fundamental to its success, and strengthening said independence will be crucial to guarantee continued growth and world-leading advancements in cardiac care for the people and communities in Ottawa, Eastern Ontario, and worldwide for the next 50 years and beyond. We are so lucky to have the Heart Institute in Ottawa. It has touched and saved so many lives, including my own father's. So very proud to bring this forward with you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Councillor Kitts. Councillor Curry.
I just would like to say, just because I didn't realize we'd have people in the audience, but a member of my family is an ER nurse in a rural hospital and spends a lot of time in the back of an ambulance racing with a patient to the Heart Institute. And I have heard firsthand many, many times how quickly you reacted and saved lives. It is actually unbelievable. I can tell you, anytime anybody even mentions the Ottawa Heart Institute, they tell us that we are so beyond lucky to have it in our city. So I'm really glad to see this motion, and thank you so much for being here. It's like lovely to see the actual people so that you can thank them personally.
Thank you, Councillor Curry. And I'll just quickly add my own comments. Like Councillor Kitts, I have a family connection to the Heart Institute, and very, very grateful to have this world-class healthcare institution in our community. We're very, very fortunate that Ottawa is home to this wonderful, wonderful institution that remains independent and strong after 50 years and contributes so much to the lives of our residents. And I want to underline the fact that it's not just about the people who arrive in an emergency, but also what they do to promote heart health throughout the community, throughout the year, in a number of different initiatives that have improved the health of our residents. So I'm a very, very proud supporter of the Heart Institute, and I want to salute the great work of the folks who are here today and the entire team at the Heart Institute, and say thank you for everything you've done for our community. And we are behind you every step of the way for the next 50 years. Is that carried? All right. Thank you, everyone.